Hello, my name is Materia, and today you will learn who learns Spanish. You may be wondering who is learning Spanish and why it's becoming more and more popular. In this video, we will dive into the reasons why people choose to learn Spanish and the benefits of learning this beautiful language. So let's get started. First, let's talk about who learns Spanish. The answer is simple. Anyone can learn Spanish. It doesn't matter if you're young or old, a student or a professional. Spanish is a language for everyone. In fact, Spanish is the second most spoken language in the world, with over 500 million speakers worldwide. This means that learning Spanish can open doors to a whole new world of opportunities, both personally and professionally. Let's explore some of the reasons why people choose to learn Spanish. One of the most common reasons is to improve communication skills. If you're planning to travel to a Spanish-speaking country, learning Spanish can help you connect with the locals and immerse yourself in the culture. Also, if you're working in a field that requires you to interact with Spanish-speaking clients, colleagues, or customers, knowing the language can help you build stronger relationships and improve your career prospects. Another reason to learn Spanish is to improve your cognitive skills. Studies have shown that learning a new language can improve memory, concentration, and even delay the onset of cognitive decline. In addition, learning Spanish can help you develop a deeper appreciation for different cultures and perspectives, which can be incredibly enriching. Finally, let's talk about the benefits of learning Spanish. Aside from the personal and professional benefits mentioned above, learning Spanish can also enhance your resume and make you a more desirable candidate for jobs that require bilingualism. It can also make it easier for you to learn other Romance languages such as French, Italian, and Portuguese because of the similarities in grammar and vocabulary. So there you have it, folks. Anyone can learn Spanish, and there are countless reasons to do so. Whether you want to improve your communication skills, enhance your cognitive abilities, or simply appreciate the beauty of a new language, learning Spanish is a great choice. So what are you waiting for?